Intense 5 time.
Number 5.
James Comey testifies. It's like a mystery movie. What next?
Number 4.
The entertainment coordinator from Beaches going down the slide has gone viral. TMZ run away with it. Instead of me sliding into your girl's DMs like.
But some people saying it's not in Jamaica, but it looks so cool.
Number 3.
Kes from Kes the Band cut off his locks. Still cute though, Kes.
Cuter to me.
I like him with the locks.
Looking good.
I like him with the locks.
It's a good look.
Number 2.
Tommy Lee is suing the state for $20 million. He says he's being discriminated by the police. We'll see what comes out of that.
Whoa. And finally holding the
Number 1.
spot this week, the Twitter war between Usain Bolt and Kevin Hart. It's too funny. 3 gold medals from church versus 3 gold medals from the Olympics. What a race that will be.
Them even, basically.
That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to check out our vlogs on facebook.com/TVJintense.
And of course, follow us on the gram at TVJ Intense. Up next, DJ Nicholas talks gospel and being a shotter. Intense soon forward.